Hello guys, welcome back. This video teach you how to create a reminder on an iPhone. First, open your iPhone reminder app. Then tap new reminder at the top left. Enter a title. Tap list to add this reminder to exist list. Tap list. Select the list you want to edit. Tap detail to add date, time, location, priority of other customization option. First, tap the date toggle, select the date using this calendar. Tap the time toggle to set a specific time and date for the reminder to alert you. Tap on priorities to add a priority of low, medium, high to the reminder. And back detail. Tap add to the upper right top corner to save your reminder. You can see this. Click reminder list and this school reminder name. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.